Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, Shay Loves to Save, where we make our money make sense one paycheck at a time. And today we're going to be talking about 401k plans. Guys, I want you to stop leaving money on the table. You'd be surprised at how many people do not have a 401k plan, especially the young people. Young people, they probably don't even know what it is. They don't understand it, and they think that they don't need it, but it can really benefit you if you are 25 or younger. It can really benefit you if you start at that young age and just start saving and investing in your 401k plan. Okay, a 401k plan is pre-taxed dollars. It is pre-tax dollars that goes into a savings account for you, basically, right? And it just grows and grows and grows over time. Your employer, this is the benefit, and this is where we're leaving money on the table, because your employer is going to actually match your contribution that you give. So usually you can give up to 1 to 5% contribution into your 401k plan, and your employer will match those percentages. So if you give 3%, the employer will match it with 3% as well. So now you're giving 6% into your 401k plan. Now this will grow. It'll grow over time so fast. It'll grow. I don't care how much money you make, right? If you make $14 an hour, $12 an hour, $25 an hour, whatever you make, just start now investing in your 401k plan, because this is going to give you some peace of mind now. And that's what we need, our ladies over 50 plus. We need that peace of mind, knowing that we are doing something, right? If we're not doing anything at all, we can't save. Do that, put that on automation, because that is going to be a blessing for you later on. And you just forget about it. There's no need to check it and see what's going on, how much you have, every day or anything like that. There's no investing on your part that you have to do. It's so simple. Like, you don't even see the money come out because it just goes directly there. Don't leave that money on the table. If your job offers a 401k plan, go ahead and set that up ASAP and watch it grow. That's just all I wanted to share for today. Don't forget, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos like this.